Hello everyone! Welcome back again to our channel. Another year and another video by Magelica, Filipina living here in Russia. How's everyone after a long holidays? Especially my kababayan in Philippines. Kamusta po ang lahat? But here in Russia, still a holiday actually until January 12. We will go now to the lake nearby our home. So before guys, this one is lake during the summer, but now you can see no more lake, only ice, and there's a fisherman over there doing some fishing. Can we try to go there in the middle of the lake? Is it possible?
We can.
Alright, come with us. I want to try. You can see guys, it's already hard here. Before, during the summer, it's lake, and now you can see. Because here already stable negative degree. That's why you can see now. Come and let's see the beautiful Russia, reality of Russia. This is the reality in living in Russia. Snow. Can you imagine that this one is lake before? And now, ice already. Very beautiful. It's already stable negative degree here. That's why it's too much cold. But everything is beautiful. I like the weather here in Russia. Hello everyone! So here it's January 7. For Orthodox Christian religion, it's Christmas here. Merry Christmas, Russia! So we are here now at the park. Have some walkings. By the way, just in case you were wondering, this is the Park Kolomenskaya Museum Reserve, where you can conveniently discover the palace of the Tsar Alexey Mikhailovich. We had a plan on passing by this place before heading over to my in-laws' home for a simple yet delightful Christmas dinner. Additionally, you can also take a ride in a horse-drawn carriage at this park during the winter months for that classic Moscow vibe. These rides are usually offered on weekends and holidays, along with other fun winter activities.
Oh, you will see.
Very cool guys. We will go to the performance. We will watch some performance here. It is snowing. Right now guys, so we are on our way to catch some performances, usually featuring traditional folk songs that are specially performed for this special Orthodox Christmas celebration.
Ой, мама, что делается? Оп! Ха-хай, ага! Вот пуля, ружье, убью соловья! Лишь паришки! Вот говоришь, да, опа!
А какой? В Москве, как вы думаете? Но нужно выбрать лучшего. Кто?
I really enjoyed watching those performances. It wasn't awesome to see that people from Russia weren't hesitant to join in the dancing. Over time, my views on Russian people have definitely shifted. Commonly, stereotypes for Russian people don't smile and too much seriousness. But now I realize that they are also happy person in some cases. These past few days, snowing became constant and this is the real winter here in Russia. But you can see, even cold and snowing, people here still bring out their children for walking. In Russia, it's common practice for parents to take their kids outside during the winter months. They believe that exposing children to the cold and fresh air helps strengthen their immune system and leads to better sleep. This approach is all about helping kids adapt to nature so they don't get too dependent on staying cooped up indoors. Being an expat, winter is definitely the most thrilling time for me. It was a bit tough at first, though I actually got sick during my very first winter here. Over time, I really got hung of it and I started to enjoy and love it. It's very cold and icy. Here is that my husband. Can we make snowman? Possible? Or no? Not. Good thing is they have tea station here, guys, and I think it's free. You just need to fall in line, so we will try it. You want to build a snowman? Dua?
Dua.
And we got some tea here, black tea, it's free. Very tasty, it makes me feel warm. Thank you for the free tea. We are here now at Burger King to have some snacks before going to my in-laws home. And actually guys, my in-laws home is just very near here. It's just like maybe 5 minutes walking. For me, maybe small burger only. And then some nuggets. Huh? I don't like spicy. We're having our fast food today. It's our cheat day. So we have some fries here and of course coffee. Burger King. This one is the nuggets.
No, this is my
really,
burger.
You have burgers. And your house still raw?
Yeah, your nuggets may be here.
And this one is raw.
Raw for me.
Oh, a lot. And for me,
For
it's
you.
little burger only. And potatoes.
You will try?
Huh?
You will try?
Burger.
Maybe burger first.
Very malinki.
You said I want cheeseburger.
Why burger is malinki? Like for kids. But it's okay. My husband is too much cheat day today. He have very big
Too
burger.
much baboy?
And one, too much. Maybe you will be gain more weight.
So I'm already put on 2 kilograms until 1 January to 5 January.
Oh my goodness. We need to start diet. This is the last time that we eat fast food and after holidays, no more. Go back to healthy lifestyle. My husband now is trying his very big burger.
This is a new burger.
What kind of new?
good.
You don't know what it is?
No.
Not about Belarusian burger in
No,
McDonald's.
different. Julian water.
For Christmas.
No, I don't know. This is Julian.
How does it taste?
Delicious. You want to try?
I don't like too much big.
You will try one.
A few moments later.
So we are here now at my in-laws home for the simple dinner celebration for Christmas. So as usual, of course, salads, and we have some fish here and shrimp, guys. So from us, from our family, Merry Christmas, Russia. So let's come and eat. Mom and Dad, go, let's eat. Christmas celebration here in Russia, quite simple, not unlike how they prepare during New Year celebrations. So guys, after spending couple of days at my in-laws place, it's time for us to head back home. We had originally planned to take a walk around Moscow city center, but things changed due to the heavy snowfall. It looks like the snow is going to stick around for a couple of days based on the weather updates. We're heading home now, and as you can see, the snow is really coming down hard. It's a bit rough on my face. My husband mentioned that this isn't even the worst they had. It was way more intense. About 3 years ago, they had a snowstorm. This is the reality in living here in Russia during winter season. And actually in all North country, having cold weather for me as a foreigner, I found it interesting and beautiful. Aside from wearing a lot of clothes, that's the only thing I found uncomfortable. But for daily life of a regular person here in Russia, it would be difficult for them. One example of that is having a car. For instance, when winter hits, they often end up completely buried in snow, making it a real challenge to get them started. And that's actually one of the reasons why my husband decided to sell his car. Dealing with winter conditions was just too much hassle. Living in an apartment during this time of year is definitely a smarter choice. I recall when my husband was still at our country house, he had to get up really early just to clear the snow from the outside so he could get his car out. Back then, I didn't really get what he was going through, but now that I've seen it for myself, I totally understand how tough it can be. Dealing with deliveries can be tough, especially with icy roads and heavy snow. Those conditions can really slow things down and lead to accidents. Roads, railways, and ports aren't safe from the cold either. Freezing temps and ice can mess things up big time. These are just a few of the challenges they face during the winter months. Reality is, winter just a part of life for many, and a lot of folks deal it with a positive way. They make the most of it by enjoying a bunch of outdoor activities during this season. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for staying on me until the end. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. Be safe.